Have you ever wondered what a wise, elderly woman could teach us about love and intimacy in a relationship? Imagine how a simple conversation could completely transform your understanding of connection and deepen your bond with your partner. In today's video, we will uncover the profound wisdom of a 72-year-old woman who shares timeless advice on strengthening love. And welcome to my channel, Stoic Life Journal. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press on the bell icon for every new videos. Intimacy. Stay with us until the end, as these insights could change the way you approach love and communication in your relationship, helping you build a deeper, more meaningful connection with the one you love. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I encourage you to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Your support means a lot, so if you find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up to help spread our message. I'm eager to hear your thoughts on today's topic. If you enjoy the content, please comment 1 below. If it doesn't resonate with you, leave a 0. Your feedback is crucial, as it helps me create better videos that align with your interests. Now let's get started. Embark with us on a transformative expedition to absorb the life-altering wisdom of Grandma Amalia. Set in a quaint, isolated hamlet encircled by Onping mountains and pristine rivers, there lived a sage, an elder woman revered for her profound sagacity and insightful understanding of the human condition, known affectionately as Grandma Amalia. Her reputation for soothing troubled spirits and mending weary souls extended far beyond her village. Individuals from far-flung locals would pilgrimage to her for enlightenment, captivated by tales of her heartwarming counsel. In this timeless narrative, we meet Clara, a young woman whose heart is ablaze with a relentless quest for knowledge, particularly concerning her marital life. Driven by an intense yearning to deepen her relationship, Clara resolved to seek out Grandma Amalia, a figure she'd grown up hearing about in hushed, reverential tones. Compelled by a myriad of unresolved questions swirling in her heart, Clara embarked on a demanding voyage to the fabled village. She traversed expansive valleys and crossed numerous bridges, her spirit buoyed by anticipation. Upon her arrival, fatigue clung to her, yet her spirit soared with hope. Clara was immediately embraced by the village's warm community, who ushered her to Grandma Amelia's quaint abode, the cottage, a humble yet inviting sanctuary adorned with vibrant flora, radiated a welcoming warmth. Inside, Grandma Amalia, with her serene smile and eyes twinkling with wisdom, invited Clara to join her beside. Inside a crackling fireplace, the comforting glow and gentle warmth of the fire enveloped Clara, instilling a sense of homely comfort and immediate peace. After settling into the soothing rhythm of the rocking chairs, Clara broached her intimate query. With a hint of hesitation, she inquired about the appropriateness of performing oral sex within her marriage. The room filled with the soft sounds of the flickering fire held a sacred silence as Grandma Amalia considered her words with care. Her response, imbued with empathy and a deep respect for marital bonds, was both gentle and decisive. She emphasized that marital intimacy transcends mere physicality. It is a sacred dance of mutual respect, deep affection, and emotional connectivity. She counseled that such acts, including oral sex, should stem from a place of mutual desire and profound love, stressing the importance of consent and mutual respect in relationships. She professed there should be no room for obligation, only space for mutual surrender and unwavering trust. This encounter, rich in wisdom and human warmth, not only addressed Clara's uncertainties but also illuminated the path to a relationship rooted in deep understanding and genuine intimacy. Clara absorbed every word, her gaze intently locked with Grandma Aurelius as the elder continued to share her wisdom. Should this act bring both joy and satisfaction, and if it serves to fortify your connection, then indeed it can be profoundly beneficial. Yet the cornerstone must Always be open communication and mutual respect reflect with your partner, whether this is a true expression of your mutual love and desire. In my earlier days I was blessed to learn that intimacy is the soul's language, a conduit that unites hearts. It transcends mere physical interactions, representing a deep exchange of energy and affection. When an intimate act is infused with true love, it transforms into a celebration of your union. Clara nodded, deeply moved by how the elder's insights echoed within her. Grandma Amalia continued with a reassuring tone. Bear in mind, Clara, the essence of intimacy is to reinforce the bond and love between partners. Cast aside concerns of societal norms of right or wrong. Instead, concentrate on what enriches and enhances your relationship. True wisdom emerges from heeding both your heart and your partners. Forge your path in love and respect together. It's imperative that you and your husband feel empowered to explore and discover what brings you both joy and a deeper connection. Engage him in open conversation. Share your innermost thoughts and emotions and earnestly listen to him. Together you will craft a way to express your love that resonates sincerely and meaningfully for both of you. Pausing to sip her tea, Grandma Amalia allowed her profound words to permeate Clara's heart before sharing a personal anecdote. Let me recount a tale from my younger days. In our village lived Juan and Maria, whose love was deep, yet not without its trials. One day Maria confided in me her concerns about the dwindling passion and monotony in their intimacy. I counseled her to communicate candidly with Juan, to unveil her desires and apprehensions. Heeding my advice, Maria and Juan engaged in heartfelt dialogue, discovering new avenues to revive and enrich their connection. They came to realize that intimacy encompasses more than physical acts. It's about presence, vulnerability, and authenticity. Tears welled up in Clara's eyes as she expressed her gratitude to Grandma Amalia for her invaluable lessons. Inspired to integrate these teachings into her own marital life, Clara felt a transformative clarity as she bid farewell and commenced her return journey. A profound sense of peace enveloped her. Reflecting on Grandma Amelia's counsel, Clara recognized that true wisdom lies not merely in knowledge but in understanding and applying love and respect in all facets of life. Her quest had been immensely rewarding, providing not just answers but also enlightening her on the foundational principles of love, communication, and respect within her marriage. Thus, Grandma Amelia's sagacity continues to enlighten those who seek to unravel the enigmas of heart and soul. We hope this story enriches your spirit and motivates you to cultivate deeper love and communication in your relationship. As we've journeyed through the wisdom of
a 72-year-old woman, we've explored deep insights into love, intimacy, and the importance of genuine connection in a relationship. Now we'd love to hear from you. What have you learned from this video? Please comment below with one thing you've learned and plan to bring into practice in your own life. If you like this video, please leave your comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more inspiring content. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and if you've got a personal story about a time, please share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our next video where we'll dive deeper into the world of personal development.